This is the V911 4-channel heli. Included in the box is the V911, a 2.4 GHz transmitter, 2 batteries, a charger, a USB cable, and a spare set of blades. The V911 is small and nimble, making it great for indoor flying. Maneuvering the heli is more precise with 4 channels of control. Being a fixed pitch, the V911 flies more aggressive than its coaxial siblings. With double the included batteries, you can now get over 12 minutes of flight time. The V911 is great for anyone getting to 4-channel flying. For more information on the V911,